I will show you a simple way to stop all the telemarketing calls that you're getting at your home for good. Stay tuned. So now working from home is great, but one thing that I did not realize are all the phone calls. Hello? My computer is infected and you want full access to it? Really? Hello? The IRS has a warrant for my arrest and you need money now? You don't want bank account information? More concerning was my parents, who are elderly, I'm a little bit old, would talk to each and every single telemarketer. I'd talk to my dad and he would say, well, we had about 30 calls today, talked to all of them. I cannot believe what kind of great rates I'm going to get. So that was a little bit concerning. So I searched Amazon for a solution because this is a problem. I'm at home. I don't want these phone calls. I need to not fear my phone anymore. So I went on to Amazon and found a solution. May I introduce you to AT&T CL8 2307 DEC 6.0. This system works so well that I decided to buy two of them, one for myself and one for my parents. And I've been telling everybody about them as well. Link is down below if you're interested in purchasing it. It's an amazing buy, 7,000 plus reviews, 4.5 or even higher. It's something you should look at. Once installed, it stopped all the telemarketing calls. All the calls. I was amazed. It actually brought freedom and peace back to the self-household. So how did it actually stop all those calls? Now, this great phone from AT&T has a feature called Smart Call Blocker. Robocalls are automatically stopped. And when you set it up, it's not too hard. Follow the instructions. It will actually block all the people call in. They'll have to go through an automatic attendant, so you get to turn the robo on the other robo, and they'll give their name. So if you have callers that want to come through, they can leave your name, and then you pick it up, and you can decide if you want to take it or block them. But more importantly, I was able to then take the list of all the family and friends that I do want to get their phone or calls through the house. And it allows them through it so they don't get the automatic attendant. So once they've called once, you just add it to it, schools, work, family, friends, or if you don't want to take those calls, you can always block them as well. But what I can tell you that it has brought some time back to my day. Now when I get a phone call, I know that they're actually allowed to come through the home phone. And additionally, for my parents' sake, because they got 30 plus calls a day, I don't have to worry about someone trying to fish through there or try to get on their system, that kind of stuff. So it just actually works well. So buy two of them, buy one for yourself and buy one for your loved ones, so then you can help set them up and they will just thank you a ton because my parents have loved it as well. So hopefully this is a good tip for you. I've had a lot of requests for what can they do to stop the robocalls, and I wanted to make this short video to help others and to help you understand how I did it myself. If you have any questions or want me to review anything else, please send a comment down below. Happy to do so. This is Tony Self signing off. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.